Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the BNH Mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. BNH Mobile is a digital banking app designed to help users manage their finances quickly and securely from their smartphones. It provides essential tools such as balance checks, transaction history, fund transfers, bill payments, and mobile check deposit. The app also supports account alerts and secure login options, helping users stay in control of their accounts anytime. It's available on both iOS and Android for convenient access to everyday banking services. The app's main features include real-time account monitoring, seamless money transfers, and mobile check deposit for added convenience. Users can also manage cards, set alerts, and track recent activity to improve financial awareness and security. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its straightforward interface, reliable functionality, and the convenience of completing essential banking tasks without visiting a branch. Mobile check deposit and real-time alerts help users manage their accounts more efficiently. However, there are some drawbacks. Certain features may vary depending on the user's account type, and mobile deposit limits may be lower than expected. Some users also report occasional login issues or delays during peak times. In addition, the app focuses on core banking tools, which means advanced features like budgeting analytics or multi-bank integration may not be available. In summary, the BNH mobile app may be worth using if you want easy access to your accounts, secure transactions, and convenient banking tools on the go. However, if you need advanced financial management features or broader compatibility with multiple banks, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.